Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about vrep simulation button and simulation control button. So, what is simulation button? Firstly, when we done a project, then it should be run that to visualize its correct or wrong work. Okay. For that, here is three simulation button. This one, and this one. So this one is called start button. When I simulate a project, then after it click, it should be run. That means it start. Then it called pause button. Okay, or it simulation off button. Okay, like that. I show you a project like mobile project. Here I take this. Okay, okay. Then I start it. That's why here. Okay, when I click on this, then it pause. Okay, that's the pause. Then I click on it, that's run. Okay, that's pause. And if I want to stop simulation, then I click on it. After that, that's the simulation stop. Okay, and I show you the hare and tortoise sample of speed controller in vrep software. So in tortoise sample, it's indicate that the simulation this when I this saw this run speedily, it slow it, okay, and its speed more increase it. It decrease and it increase. That's the plus sample. It's increase and negative sample. Its speed is decrease. Let's see it. Okay. For that, I click on simulation button. Okay, it's run. That's the notice the speed. When I click on this tortoise, it's slow. And when I click on tortoise here, then it's okay. And again, when I click tortoise, its speed is increased. Then this slow, okay, and I pause the simulation. So that's the use of simulation button and this speed controller button. So you should try in vrep software for that. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.